Still with me?
What?
Okay, are you still with me?
Yep.
Okay, so what did you just tell me? Can you?
Mom's not letting me go to the doctor because she thinks I'm not.
She thinks you're not what?
That she thinks that I'm not going to that I don't have a disease. Or I'm not sick.
Do you feel sick?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel sick?
Well, I have a runny nose and I've been coughing for like months.
Is it the same cough you had at home?
Yeah, but it's only getting listed.
Okay, let me take care of that, okay?
Okay.
I love you. What are you up to today?